This 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E is a Class A RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, skylight, TV antenna, awning, slide-out, refrigerator, TV, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bath and a half, couples coach, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom. This 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.